Play with fire here. So, I got this. It's called an RV90. It's a 1978 odd duck of a strange model. These were brought out to match the Honda CT series. And, but this is a two-stroke 90cc version, and it won't stay running unless it's warm. So it's a 90cc version of their RV Rover van bikes. They never caught on as much as the Honda bikes, and they have come out with a 50, a 70, a 90, and a 125 version of it. And now they've produced their latest model, and it's a 200. It's known as the van, and you don't find them here in Canada and the United States. This one is the agricultural model, which was their stripped down model, and you'd be able, and you can see that there's no battery box tray in there, and that means the lights and whatnot would run strictly off the running motor. And unfortunately, because they're 6-volt light bulbs, they're burned out for me, so I'll have to replace them. But yeah, it's yet another addition to the Fat Tire Club. What do you think? I mean, it runs good. Riding video will come up when I get out and about on it. I want to have it played on it before I go. Hate getting in trouble with the man. But yeah, I'll end up buying a new sprocket and new sprockets and chain. Carburetor is already ordered because I found a pretty good deal, and replacing carburetor is always a good bet on a 40-year-old bike. Later in winter, I'll pull the cylinder and the head and find out if they got to be bored. But yeah, not a bad little bike. I know I'm going to have to row through the gears like a madman, like somebody paddling a kayak into the wind. Anyway,